Stop guessing how to make money with digital products. This is my actual System.io sales dashboard, and I'm going to show you the exact funnel and templates I use to bring in over $200 a day on repeat. You already know System.io is great, but the key to making real income is leveraging their share funnels. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through all 3 profit methods: how to sell the template, how to use it as a powerful lead magnet, and how to maximize your affiliate commissions. We're going straight into the back end right now for the step-by-step technical setup, so let's go. Now, there are 3 different ways I want to talk about in this video on how you can make money with these templates. And the first one of these 3 ways is you can actually sell the template itself. With me, I have a funnel vault for $7 a month. You can join and get access to tons of not only System.io templates for your funnels, but also Canva templates, email templates, and more. You can also give away templates for free. Here's one of my PDF templates, which is an actual ebook that you could download for absolutely free. And it teaches you how to do this as well. And last, you can actually make commissions and become an affiliate for System.io and earn commissions for the sale of the software, which means every time you refer a customer that purchases a payment plan of the System.io software, you're going to earn a 60% lifetime commission every time. Now, the cool thing about all 3 of these ways is going to lead up to you making that money every single day. So one of the cool things about giving it away is you're going to be building your email list, and on top of that, building your business. And everybody knows the riches are in your email list. So you can always upsell those people to paying products in the future by just sending out an email to all the people on your email list. But also keep in mind, since those people might have clicked your affiliate link, even if you gave it away for free, if they upgrade to System.io later on in the future, you're still going to get the commission because you were the original referrer of this customer. And the cool thing is you don't have to decide on one of these options. You can do one of them or you can do all 3 of them. I do all 3 of them, so you can too. Now, what we're going to be doing in this video is just one template, but if you want to bundle other templates together, you can actually do that as well. And once you've been doing this for a while, you're going to, of course, build up a library of templates or digital products that you can bundle together and provide heaps of value. And this is also going to increase your revenue because now you have additional products that you can add on to each order. And that's exactly what I have in my digital income starter kit, which comes with tons of bonuses that I provide for any of my customers. You get templates, you get ebooks, you get lead magnet templates, you get ways to get traffic, a content plan, or even a social media calendar. I even provide you with other products that'll help you on your journey towards making money online with digital products. Okay, so first things first, you're obviously going to need a System.io account. And if you don't already have one, you can, of course, grab a free account by using the description down below in this video. Okay, so this is the actual template that we're going to be using for the tutorial in this video that's going to allow you to sell your template and even also a digital product if you want. And then the next thing you're going to actually need is Canva and a little bit of AI, but it's actually built inside Canva. So I'm going to walk you how to do that as well. Okay, so let me go over the actual page that we're going to create. So this is a page that is giving away a lead magnet, or you can sell it, called the Ultimate Faceless Beginner's Blueprint, which basically teaches people how to market their digital products or whatever facelessly on the internet. Now, the best way to explain it, if you were going to sell this entire funnel or this sales page as a template, you would have to create another template on top of it to where people, once they purchase it, or if you're giving it away, they can download that and not your actual funnel that's selling it or promoting it. So if I just scroll up, you can always see that I have an option where people can just purchase this template straight away. And this is an actual link right here. So when they click it, it will actually take them to an order form and they can purchase the template. So going back, of course, this is the option for them to purchase the actual template. And you have the option to sell or give away the actual ebook itself. But what you want to do is make sure that information is displayed here, giving more information about the product and also the template. Now, also on this page, you can add videos as well if you like. I do have a video on how to set this all up. And of course, if they buy the template or if they want to utilize the information in the actual ebook itself, it has a video that gets emailed to them that they can watch as well, but you can add a short video here. But one thing I want to point out, You want to let them know what's inside the product. And of course, all this is going to be included in the template. But what I like to also do is just make sure, just kind of break down what they're actually going to be getting in case they have any questions or they need a little bit more clarity. And the cool thing I just want to point out, of course, with System.io, it makes this entire process simple. So when you get this template or you even get the ebook, it's all going to be connected. So you won't have to do any tech stuff. And plus, importing this template into your System.io account is just going to all happen with the click of a button. So after they purchase the template itself, all they have to do is click a button, and then System.io is going to import it into their back office, and they won't have to create this from scratch or deal with any tech stuff that's going to make them even more confused. Now that we have this part covered, I'm going to show you on the back end inside the back office of System.io on how you can set this all up. So once you purchase the template and you import it into your System.io account, it's going to appear up on the website, sales funnels, and then you will see it here. And basically from here, you would just have to just get your link. And how you would get your link is you would just come over here, go to share, click that, and then now you could copy this link like so. And you could put this link in email so they can do it from their email, or you can send them to another page after purchase and they can instantly click it there and it gets imported into the System.io account. Now, this is the inside of the actual editor for this template and the ebook itself. They are one and the same, but you can come here and change any of the little small things that you would like to do on the sales page, from the copy to the graphics to fonts or whatever you want. But you would have to come into the back office, and once you're in here, you would just click on edit page. So inside the editor, as you can see, I have this buy this template link right here if you wanted to buy this entire template. So all you would have to do is just hyperlink this text. I inserted it into this buy this template text. And in order to do that, you would have to just go back out. And as you can see here, I have the faceless template order form. So you want to click that first, make sure it's highlighted. And then all you have to do is just come over here to the right with this link icon and copy that. And then we would go back to that page. And then now all you would have to do is just double click this to where it's highlighted and come over here to this link right here. And then you would type it in this URL like so, and then click save. So all you have to do is just tweak your template any way you want, and you can use Canva with your own graphics to make it look nice. If you want to change any of the copy of the fonts, you can do that. And then this template, which is the squeeze page, is the actual template page that's going to sell your template. So now we want to make it to where once they purchase it, everything gets delivered on autopilot seamlessly, so you won't have to do anything. So what you want to do is just come back into your editor, and of course you want to go to the order form page, which is the page they're going to go to make the actual purchase of the template. But you would come down here to digital product because it's not a physical product, and you would click that right there. And when you do, this is going to open up right here. If it's a new account, you may not see all of that, but what you would want to do is click on the plus sign, and you have to give your digital product a name. So we just call it faceless template. Now for the resources part, you would just skip. That's no need for that in this particular tutorial or the scenario, but you do want to add a pricing point to it. So we would just click on the plus sign here. Make sure it says one-time payment. But what you want to do if this is a new account, click on create a new one, and then you're going to fill out this information that's going to tell System.io what this digital product is and how much it costs. So I basically just jumped ahead and filled this out for you. Just put the pricing name displayed on the order form. It's going to say faceless template. Displayed on the dashboard, faceless template. This is what they're going to see at the order form right before checkout. This is what they're going to see on their statement once they're billed in their bank account. Make sure it's one-time payment, and then whatever price you want to sell it for, and then you would click save. And basically after that, you're pretty much done. Once they purchase it, of course, you want to send them to a thank you page, and they're going to automatically get sent there after purchase. And basically on the thank you page, I just give them access to everything they just purchased. So it would be the template. It would be how they can change anything on Canva, and a PDF guide that'll walk them through it, and just some information here so that they won't feel lost. Now on your thank you page, again, you would just highlight that step in the funnel, go to edit page, and the actual link that we copied from the share funnel is where you would insert it in this button so they can instantly import it into system.io. All you have to do is just copy that right there, and then you would paste it in the URL. So here's the share funnel right there that we copied earlier, pasted it here. And when they click that on their end, it's going to automatically import into their system.io account. Now, once you're done with this process, there is one other thing that you want to do, which is you want to make sure to get the email. So what you would want to do is make sure that you're on the order form part of the funnel step, and you're going to want to go to automation rules. And then you're just going to start a rule that lets system.io know what is happening and what to do when whatever happens. So you will have to create a trigger by clicking the plus sign. And of course, this is an order form. So we're going to click on new sale. And this is the funnel. It automatically puts that information in there because we're already in the funnel. So faceless ebook funnel, the funnel step is the faceless template because that's the order form. And then you're going to create an action over here. So you want to add a tag, and by adding a tag, it's going to let system.io know what they purchased. So you can make this tag say faceless template. And then when they get tagged after they purchase, what you want to do is you also want to subscribe them to that email campaign. So you would say subscribe to an email campaign. That email campaign is going to deliver the actual template. So they'll be able to get it two ways: on the thank you page. But if anything happens and they didn't go to the thank you page, or they forgot about it and something came up, they're going to get that email in their inbox. And just like that, guys, it's very simple. Once you've done all of that, you've created a system that's going to sell your templates and make you some template digital product income, as well as some affiliate commissions from system.io, the software itself. Like I said, again, you can give it away for free if you prefer. But even if you give it away for free, you could still potentially earn income on the back end through system.io. Thank you guys so much for watching. By the way, take advantage of all the free resources down below this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.